We guide you through how to get Microsoft Teams API key. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the Microsoft Azure portal because this is where Microsoft Teams API access is managed. Sign in using the same Microsoft account and connected to your Teams account. Once logged in, search for app registrations in the top search bar and click it. Next, press New Registration, type your app name, choose who can use the application, then click Register. After that, you'll be directed to your app dashboard where you can find application or client ID, which acts as your Microsoft Teams API key identifier. Then go to Certificates and Secrets, click New Client Secret, create a secret, and copy the generated value immediately because Microsoft only show it once. Now, head to API permissions, add Microsoft Graph permissions for Teams features you need. Then click Grant admin consent if required. Once done, you can use Client ID, Tenant ID, and Client Secret to connect Microsoft Teams APIs in your app, website, or automation tools.